What is a drink tracker and why is it important to recovery? Hey thinkers, I'm Jess, a licensed therapist specializing in both mental health and addiction. A drink tracker is a tool or application that helps individuals keep track of their alcohol consumption over time. It is an essential tool for those who are in recovery from alcohol addiction or trying to manage their alcohol intake more effectively. The main purpose of drink trackers is to monitor and record the amount of alcohol consumed on a regular basis. Here's why a drink tracker is important for recovery. Awareness. Keeping track of how much alcohol is being consumed brings greater awareness to individuals about their drinking habits. It provides concrete data about their consumption patterns, helping them recognize potential high-risk situations and problem areas. Accountability. A drink tracker holds individuals accountable for their actions. By recording each drink, they are less likely to deceive themselves about the amount they are actually consuming. It helps them confront the reality of their drinking behavior, which is critical for recovery. Identification of patterns. With consistent tracking, individuals can identify patterns in their drinking behavior. They may notice trends related to certain times, events, or emotions that tend to lead to increased alcohol consumption. Identifying these patterns can help develop coping strategies to avoid or manage these triggers. Goal setting and progress tracking. For those in recovery, setting specific goals related to alcohol consumption is essential. A drink tracker allows to set achievable targets and track progress over time. Celebrating milestones and achievements can be motivating and reinforce commitment to recovery. Early intervention. Regular monitoring through drink tracking can help early detection of any potential relapse signs. If someone notices an increase in their alcohol intake, they can correct these actions or seek support from their support system or treatment professionals. Data for treatment professionals. For individuals attending therapy for alcohol addiction, a drink tracker can provide valuable data to the treatment professional. This data helps tailor their treatment plan more effectively and provide personalized guidance in the person's recovery. Reduce denial. Alcohol addiction can often be accompanied by denial about the severity of the problem. A drink tracker prevents an objective record that can break through that denial and help individuals accept the reality of their addiction. Lifestyle changes. Recovery from alcohol addiction often involves significant lifestyle changes. A drink tracker is a useful tool in understanding how alcohol consumption may be affecting various aspects of life, such as sleep quality, work, productivity, relationships, and overall well-being. This understanding can motivate individuals to make positive changes. If you want to learn more about drink tracking or get a more detailed analysis of recovery, I've created a very in-depth video about this topic of recovery. You can find it here. And as always, stay positive and take care of yourself.